Hey everyone, if TurboTax is stuck loading or just won't open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix the TurboTax not loading problem so you can get back to filing your taxes without frustration. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons TurboTax fails to load, so check your Wi-Fi or mobile data before anything else. Next, refresh the page or restart the app. Sometimes a simple reload clears temporary glitches and allows TurboTax to load properly again. If you're using TurboTax online, clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data can sometimes interfere with loading, so clearing it often fixes the issue quickly. Try opening TurboTax in a different browser or on another device. This helps you figure out if the issue is related to your current browser or system. Disable browser extensions or VPN temporarily. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or security tools, can prevent TurboTax from loading correctly. Check if TurboTax servers are down. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end, so look up their server status or recent outages and wait if needed. Make sure your browser or TurboTax app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues that stop pages from loading. So yeah, those are the fastest ways to fix TurboTax not loading problems. Follow each step carefully and TurboTax should load properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more TurboTax tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone!